Have you ever been in a car accident? Do you have any complaints about English? Are you a complainer?
I think I'm not. At least nobody calls me a complainer.
Okay. Do you think world would be a better place without cars?
No, I don't think so. Cars are one of the most important inventions in the world.
Yeah, that's right. I can't imagine the world without cars.
Me too.
Do you have any complaints about English?
Some English words are so hard to pronounce.
Yeah, that's true.
It's annoying sometimes.
Yeah. Which country produces the best cars? What do you think?
I think it's Germany and Japan. Chinese cars are also getting better and better nowadays.
Yeah, I agree. Chinese cars are getting more and more popular. That's for sure.
It's true.
Do men or women complain more?
I think women complain more.
Yeah.
Men are usually more reserved and calm. That's why we like you.
Okay. Have you ever been in a car accident?
God, no. I hope I will never be in a car accident.
Yeah, I hope so too.
When was the last time when you complained about something?
I don't know. Maybe recently about the weather. I don't really like complaining, actually.
Yeah, good for you. Do you need a car?
Yes, I do. Having a car means being independent in transportation. I live out of Moscow and using public transport is not that convenient here. So the car makes my transportation much easier.
Yeah.
I like it.
What kinds of things do you complain about?
About traffic jams, you know.
Yeah.
They really drive me crazy sometimes.
Yeah, it's quite annoying. What features and functions of a car do you need most?
Russia is a cold country, so I like all these warming features of my car the most. Warming seats, warming driving wheel, etc. That's great.
Yeah. Do you like complaining?
No, I don't like complaining. I'm always trying to be happy about my life and about things I have. A lot of people in the world can't have it. Some of them can't even get enough food. So actually, I have nothing to complain about.
Yeah, that's true. Do you think it is fair to call a car a dangerous weapon?
It depends on the driver, of course. If a driver is stupid, his car can be a dangerous weapon, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's true. How often do you complain in public?
Almost never. As I said, complaining is quite a personal thing for me, you know?
Yeah.
Why do so many people care so much about their cars?
Cars represent their owners. People see power and freedom and adventure in their vehicles.
Yeah, that's right. I would say that men develop personal relationships with their cars because they perceive their car as an extension of themselves, actually.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Yeah, that's strange.
Interesting.
Strange.
And interesting too. Do you think complaining relieves stress?
Absolutely. It's always better to talk to someone who can listen to you. Or you can talk to yourself, as I do sometimes.
Yeah, okay.
How different do you think cars of the future will be?
They will be more efficient and more expensive. That's for sure.
Yeah. What complaints do you have at the moment?
I have no complaints at the moment.
Awesome.
Where do cars rank in the list of most important inventions?
As you said before, cars are one of the most important inventions ever. I totally agree.
Yeah.
I think they're definitely on the first place. Maybe on the second.
Okay.
What are your biggest complaints about your friends?
Some of my friends do like complaining, you know. I wish they stopped doing this and just enjoyed life.
Yeah. Do you think cars are good value for money?
It used to be good value for money a long time ago.
Yeah.
Now cars are too expensive.
Yeah, I agree.